Hey there, Apple enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super handy: how to use Apple Cash to pay your Apple Card in 2025. If you're juggling multiple Apple services, this feature is a game changer for seamless payments. It's all about integrating your digital wallet for quick, secure transactions, perfect for staying on top of your finances without the hassle. First off, let's get started. Make sure you have the latest version of iOS installed on your iPhone, as Apple updates these features regularly. Open the Wallet app. It's that iconic icon with the wallet on your home screen. Once you're in, tap on your Apple Card. This is where all your card details and payment history live. Now, scroll down to the Pay My Bill section. You'll see an option to add a payment method. Select Apple Cash from the list. It's usually right there if you have funds available. Apple Cash is essentially your digital cash balance, loaded from your bank or received from friends. Enter the amount you want to pay, double-check it, and hit Confirm. You'll get a quick verification, maybe via Face ID or your passcode, to ensure security. One cool thing about 2025 is that Apple has made this even faster with improved integration, so payments process almost instantly. But remember, you need sufficient funds in your Apple Cash. If not, top it up first through the same app. Pro tip: keep an eye on any fees. Apple Cash is generally free for most transactions, but always verify. This method is great for avoiding credit card debt buildup and earning rewards on your Apple Card. There you have it. Using Apple Cash to pay your Apple Card is straightforward and efficient. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it works for you. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe for more Apple tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.